Hi, this is Maura Hill, and we're looking forward to meeting you all tomorrow. I just wanted to walk you through how to access the meeting links for the Institute tomorrow. From your email, you should have received a message from Zoom Events. You should be able to view your ticket. This screen will ask you to join the lobby. Okay. You may need to sign into Zoom meetings. If you click on this, it might ask you to sign in using your credentials, but I've done it often enough that it's not asking me to do that anymore. It might ask you to do that several times. You should be able to join the lobby after you put in your credentials. This is the lobby. From here, you'll go over to Sessions. Once you click on Sessions, each person should join 2 sessions for the Institute. Everyone should join the Pre-Conference Institute session. You just click on that little bookmark. Then, depending on which module you are in, you should choose that module and click on it. You may see only one module. You may see only the module that you are registered for. I'm not sure if you will see both, but for you, you should just click on the session that you are registered for. Once you do that, you should be able to look at your itinerary. And then for Wednesday, March 30th, each of you should see 2 sessions here. Now I see 3 because I'm involved in all 3, but you should see 2. We'll meet together first in the Pre-Conference Institute, right? That's our whole group meeting. Once we finish the first part of our day, you'll just come back here to the lobby and click on the session for the module you're registered for. I hope this is helpful for you. I encourage you to take some time this evening to do this so that you don't have to do it tomorrow morning. And we'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning for the CRTL Pre-Conference Institute. Thank you.